Pineapple storage hacks. Make it last longer in the fridge. To store pineapple long-term in the fridge, keep whole, uncut fruit on the counter for a few days or in the fridge for up to a week. For cut pineapple, store chunks in an airtight container with a splash of citrus juice, like orange, in the fridge for 5 to 7 days, or freeze for months by single-layer freezing and transferring to a freezer bag. For whole pineapple, room temp. A ripe pineapple lasts 3 to 5 days on the counter. Fridge, uncut, extend its life by a few days by placing it on a shelf, not the crisper. Prep. Twist off the green leaves to save space. Don't wrap it or put it in a container. For cut pineapple, chunks, slices, airtight container. Place pieces in an airtight container. Add citrus. Squeeze a little orange or lemon juice over the fruit to prevent browning. Fridge. Stays fresh for 5 to 7 days. Freezer. Longest for months. Flash freeze pieces on a baking sheet, then bag them. Use for smoothies, baking, or marinades. Signs of spoilage. Skin turns brown or develops mold, soft spots. A sickly, rotten smell.